Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle in this additional in not today's newspaper, no, in the yesterday's newspaper. Yesterday's newspaper is the newspaper of Saturday, September the 18th, 2021, and today it's Sunday, and on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I've decided to continue with the rest of the puzzles in the Saturday edition. And we have two puzzles left, the Sudoku with 2 stars and a tectonic one. But first we will solve this 2 stars Sudoku number 3416. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26. Yeah, 26 printed digits. For 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. In this column, we have 6 missing numbers. In this third column, one of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8. No 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, here, or there. We see an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. How about the 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column? So the column between the second column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Yeah. Okay. Then, how about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 6. We have a 3 and a 6 in this column. So no 3 and a 6 in those 2 boxes. The 3 and a 6 goes in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 there. So no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6. And the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and a 7, okay. So we have a 7 in this column, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for the number 1. The 2 is missing. Okay, so we have a 2 in this column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. Okay. Then 1, 7. Let me see. 4 in this last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. 2 numbers left in the middle row. For the numbers 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 6 is missing, 1 and the 6. We see here 6. No 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Okay. 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 3 and 7. Let me see. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. Three missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 3 is missing, 2, 3, yes, 4, and the 5 is missing. Wait. No, yeah, the 1 is missing, the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 4 numbers. I thought 3 numbers. 3915. Yeah. Need to wait then. I need to wait. Then. Okay. My battery is almost empty. Let me connect the battery. I need to connect my battery. Sorry for the interruption. Okay. 4% left. My battery. Okay. Let's continue. 1. 1. 1. 8. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 6. Alright. 1, yeah, 3 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Okay, so we have 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. Only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 8. Two numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. One number left in this row for number 1, 2. 3 is missing. Okay. So 197. Okay. And now 2 numbers left in the first column. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 9 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Okay. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 5. All right. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 9 and a 3. 9 and a 3. Here also 9 and the 3 in this row. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 and the 3. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 3. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1. Is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers. So 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. We see here 1. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 in this column. 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and a 9. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. 2 stars, yes. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 1 star. See you then. Bye-bye for now.